Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download graphic card driver. So first you have to come gigabyte.com website and go to right side, just search button and enter your model number of motherboard. Enter B860ME, then hit enter. Then click to product. B860ME, click on that. Then click to support. Select your operating system which is using Windows 10 11. So if you are using any, so no worry, because installations process same, Windows 10 installations process same. Chipset driver, say this is processing, and click to download. It will start downloading. See here, so it is downloaded 96.5. Open after download, then double click to launch for the installation. And click on yes. Now this is installing. Close it.